Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little White House, and we're having a little belated 4th of July get together over at my wife's aunt and uncle's house. Seth just brought a cooler from here. He drug it all the way over to that tent over there. I was kind of proud of him because he's showing some big muscle now for almost 5. Anyway, now we're going to take a garden tour. We got peppers. What kind of peppers are these? Nope. Zucchinis? No. There's some more peppers.
Peppers are your hot peppers.
These are your hot peppers?
Big bushy.
Oh yeah. I've seen zucchinis have this before. They just stand straight up.
Here's one here.
Oh yeah, here we go. Here's another one. There's one.
There's one.
Yeah. This one's almost too big right here. Look at this one. This one right here. This is a big one. See that? That's a big zucchini.
More big ones.
This one will be looking like a baseball bat in a minute here.
Excuse me.
You're excused.
I don't know what kind of peppers are those.
Okay.
These are tomatoes here.
Right. Just your basic reds or something fancy? They're doing pretty good. I like them. Ghost peppers?
Right here.
Ooh.
Right here.
Yeah. Those will...
Four plants of it.
Those will kick your butt.
There's a pepper former.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tell him to try out these, so we don't know either.
Man,
He's
you're brave.
Hot peppers.
Right?
I want to try some.
Oh yeah, we got some pickles here, some cucumbers.
Oh, I like
You said these were straight 8s, right? We got summer squash over here. Look at those. There's a lot of good stuff here, Seth. Look at that.
I'm seeing it.
Makes me ready to go back and look at our garden. What are these?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Somebody planted them.
Yeah, somebody did. I'll tell you what they are. These are potatoes.
All of these?
Yeah, all of these are potatoes.
And is that little one a potato?
Yep, all of them.
This one?
Even the ones with the flowers on them. The ones with the flowers on them are close to being ready. And then, oh, don't touch those.
Look,
Those
the ladybugs.
are potato bugs.
Why are they there?
Well, they found their way to this garden somehow. They don't have too many enemies. There's only a couple of enemies. One of them is ladybugs, and one of them is stink bugs. Both of those will keep these under control. Now, it doesn't look like any of the other plants have that on there. And let's hope they don't get it, because they'll just chew them all to pieces. Okay, so what do we got over here? Do we got anything besides blossoms? I don't see any fruit yet.
Just blossoms.
Looks like maybe more zucchinis. Oh, look at these. You know what these were? These are peas.
All of them?
Yeah, all of this whole row is peas. And then we got more peppers. See these peppers?
And even the ones that are at the end, like this one?
Yeah, even that one is a pepper, yeah. And then over here, look at this one. We got onions.
I
These
like
are
onions.
onions.
I want to see in here. You want to come over here and see in here?
In here? Well, this is just grass and weeds. But if we come over to this side, there's some more peppers. But it looks like these peppers got ate alive or something. They're not doing as well as the peppers over there. I don't know why. Maybe they just pruned them just now. Okay, and then they got flowers. Look at the flowers. This is an apple tree. Look at the apples. Or maybe it's no, it's an apple tree. See the apples?
And look at these ones over here. They're green.
Yeah, they are.
I like green apples.
Yeah, well, they got to get bigger first. You can't eat them like that.